Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do once your stake has completed. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw your profits as well as how to withdraw your pledged capital. And then I'm going to show you two different ways on how to go about restaking that original pledge amount and also your profits. So we're going to start off in the profit section of the wallet, and then you're going to click on liquidity pledge, and you're going to scroll and look for the completed pledge, which is this one at the bottom. We're going to tap it and we're going to open that up, and it'll take us to another page. And then once we get in there, it'll give you all the details of your pledge. So it's given us the length of the pledge period. It's given us the date we started and finished. It's letting me know how much I was making per day, how much I accumulated total, the pledge details such as it was a quick pledge and I used USDT to pledge, and that the system converted everything over for me. So next we're going to click on income details to look at further details. So here it's giving more income details. It's letting us know our pledge quantity, how much we made per day, and then our overall profit. And then if you scroll down under income details, it's telling you the amount that was issued per day and breaking it down. So we're going to go back, and then we're going to go back again. And then once we're on the profit page, we're going to tap on total staking rewards. And here it's going to show you the amount that you can withdraw. Basically, this is my profit here, $86.49. And as you can see, I do have multiple pledges, so I do have different amounts coming in every day. So we're going to go ahead and click on withdraw income. And once you see here, it says FTC main, and you notice that it's $0. That's because I didn't choose to receive FTC main. I chose to receive FUSD, which is the stable fund. And once we select that, you can see all the amounts pop up here. So from what it seems, you can't withdraw a portion of your profit. It looks like you have to withdraw 100% of the profit that's in your wallet. And then it's charging us a $4.32 service fee, which isn't much. And it's giving you your estimated total that you can expect to receive into your local wallet. It's also charging a small FTC main fee. So make sure you have enough of that in your wallet so you don't experience any issues when it comes to withdrawing. So we're just going to confirm, proceed through, put our password in, hit OK, and boom, there's our transaction. So now at the top, I want you to look at where it says pledge capital, and it's telling us how much I have pledged into the staking. And it's also telling me what I can redeem, and that redeemable amount is the completed pledge that just finished. So go ahead and tap redeem at the top, and now we're going to be redeeming our pledge capital. So you can see the total balance here. You can redeem a portion of it or you can redeem the whole thing. I'm going to go ahead and redeem the whole thing because I want to go ahead and repledge it. And you see it's charging you a small FTC main fee. So just hit all or whatever amount you want to hit, whatever amount you want to withdraw. Tap OK, put your password in. Tap OK again, and boom, there you go. Now we've redeemed our completed pledged capital. So now we're going to go to the wallet portion of the app, and let's just double check that everything is in here. So you can pull the screen down to refresh it. And then let's just scroll down, and there we have it. Our FinLP is here. And now you see my FUSD just popped up in here. And that FUSD is actually the profit that I've made from the stake. One thing I do want to point out is that I went into this stake with USDT BEP only. I did use the quick pledge option. So I want to point out that although I went in with USDT BEP 20, you notice that I didn't get USDT BEP20 back because when they took that USDT, they did the pledging for me. They split half into FUSD, the other half into FTC main, and then they put that into the liquidity pool, and then they pledged that liquidity amount. So when you withdraw or when your pledge is complete, you're not getting that USDT back. You're getting your profits in FUSD or FTC, whichever one you choose to earn, and then you're getting that FinLP back that was into the liquidity pool. So let's head back to the profit section and then click on total staking rewards. You can pull your screen down to refresh the numbers, and I just want to show you the amount here. It's showing what I've extracted so far, and it's showing what has not been extracted, which is 0. And if you look at the top at principal pledge, that's going to be the total amount that I have in the liquidity pool. And the redeemable principal is 0 because my other funds are currently staked. So once those are completed, you will see that amount pop up there. So now we're going to head back to the profit page. And then we're going to go to our wallet. And I wanted to show you, so basically what happens is when you would redeem your pledged capital, it goes back into your wallet here. And when it goes here, it also goes back into the liquidity pool. So when you stake that FinLP that's in the liquidity pool, you will no longer see it pop up in FinPool. But once you withdraw it, you will see it pop up. So I'm going to show you here. Go back into your home page, tap on FinSwap, and then just give it a second to load. Now tap on Pool, and then give it a minute, and then your liquidity will pop up here. If you don't see it, you can tap on Import, and then it'll just import it over. So tap the arrow down so we can see the full screen here. And as you can see, it's showing us the total amount that I have in FUSD and the equivalent amount that I have in FTC main that's into the liquidity pool. And it shows that my total tokens is 76.1. So let's just back it on up. And then let's head over to the wallet portion of our app. And now there's two different ways that we can go about restaking our money. The first way would be to use that profit amount that we've earned and match that up with the equivalent amount of FTC main. And you can get that FTC main from the money that or from the mining of the nodes. So once you have that equivalent amount of FTC Fin, so we have $76 here in FUSD, and then we just need that equivalent amount of FTC main. We're going to add that to the liquidity pool. We're going to add those LP tokens to the current tokens we have, and we're going to restake everything overall. So we're basically compounding our money. So let's head over to FTC. At the top, you're going to tap Add Liquidity. And then once you're in here, I'm going to type in the dollar amount that I want to use because I want to use the full amount I have of FUSD. So I'm going to type in 76, looks like 0.4. And I want to point out that when I try to do that, it's telling me that I have an insufficient available balance. So I'm just going to do $76 flat. So if that happens to you, just bring your amount down a little bit. So go ahead and tap Add, put your password in, hit OK, and let it process through. And then now we're going to give it a couple of seconds for it to go ahead and be added. So you can pull your screen down and refresh it, and then it should pop up or it should notify you that it's been added. So now we see that I've added 1.46 FTC main plus the equivalent amount of FUSD, which is $76, and it's giving me 10.44 LP tokens. So now I'm adding those LP tokens, or it's automatically adding those LP tokens to the LP tokens I already have. And now we're going to go ahead and stake the total amount that we have. So head back over to your wallet and let's just double check that everything is in there. And yes, it looks like the extra LP tokens have now added there. So I now have a balance of 59.54 LP tokens. So now we're going to head over to the profit section, and then we're going to click on liquidity pledge. And then of course at the top, we're going to click on LP pledge because we're pledging LP tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the full amount I have here, and then tap on pledge period and determine which option you want to go with. There's now many new options to choose from. So you'll first need to determine whether you want to earn FTC or if you want to earn FUSD. The difference is FTC will get you a higher daily return, but it's riskier because if the price of FTC drops, then the daily return you're getting will drop. But if the FTC price goes up, then you can possibly get way more money than you would. So FUSD is a stable coin. So what you see is what you're going to get. So it's the safer side. So it depends on which way you want to go. So with this particular pledge, I'm going to choose to earn FUSD, and I'm going to do it for 7 days. So once you choose your pledge period, go ahead and tap LP pledge, and on this page, please confirm all of your details here. I have made the mistake of pledging a couple of my wallets for 30 days by accident because it automatically will default you to 30 days. So double check before you proceed through. So just give it a couple of seconds and wait for it to finish processing. You can pull the screen down to refresh it. And then let's see. There it goes. It's now pledged. So if you tap on it, let's open it up and look at our pledge details. It'll give you everything here, the amount, the time, how much you can expect to get. And if you tap on income details, it'll give you even more details. So let's go back and back and back again and back to the wallet portion of the app. So now here's the second way you can go about staking. If you don't have any FTC main to match with that FUSD amount, you can simply just go ahead and do a quick pledge with your FUSD profits. So this way would be best for those who are using the recharge function for their pledges and having it auto renew every 7 days, and you simply want to just stake your profits. Just remember that the minimum to stake would be $100, whether it's USDT or FUSD. So all you need to do is head over to the profit page, click liquidity pledge, tap quick pledge, tap USD, select FUSD, and then put your dollar amount there. Choose the pledge period you want to go with and go ahead and stake it. And that's it. That's all you need to do. A third option would be if you just simply want to start withdrawing your profits, all you'll need to do is just convert that FUSD over to USDT BEP20 and you're set. And you can complete that swap by simply going to FTC, make sure you're on FUSD exchange, and then just swap it there. If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.